Welcome to this course on Introduction to the Python Programming and its Application.
Okay, so welcome back again on my YouTube channel Gate Arena. So today we will be talking about how to create a bar graph using a Matplotlib library. So again, we will going to take an example of a circuit. So let's say there's a match of a India. So I'm writing IND India, and we have to find out that okay, what are the run score in the first 6 overs. Okay, so I will writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then let's say 6. Now next, what I have to do, I have to give this as a over. So I will be giving it as a over. So what I have to do, I have to write over, and then I will be writing the over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I will be saying that okay, how much run has been scored in this particular over. So I will be taking a runs as my another variable, and let's say I will going to say that okay, in first over the run score was 10, then in second over the run score was 4, then I will be saying that in the third over let's say 8, then again 15, then in fifth over 12, and in the last over we can say okay, the run score was again 10. Okay, so now what we want to do is that we have to plot a graph. Okay, and the graph which we will be plotting will be a bar graph. So basically this will be something like this. Okay, in the first over we have got, we can divide it into the runs. Okay, so let's say this is a 5, 10, 15, 20, and then we will going to say okay, in the first over how much run has been scored. We are saying that okay, the score that is being done in the first over was 10, so we will be plotting something like this. Okay, in second over the run score was 4, so we will be plotting something like this. In the third over we have got 8 runs, so we will be plotting like this. In the fourth over 15 runs, so we will be plotting something like this. In the fifth over 12 runs, so we will be plotting something like this. And in the sixth over we got 10 runs, so we will be plotting something like this. So you can see that our objective is to draw this bar graph. Okay, so here we will have got our overs. So these are our overs, and here we will be writing our run. We will going to give the title that okay, India first 6 over. Okay, and that we are referring as a power play. So this is my title which I will going to give. So we will going to do this with the help of a matplotlib. Let me start with this programming. So first what we have to do, we have to write a command import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and let me run this first. Then what I have to do, I have to define the over. Okay, over equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Then I will be writing a runs, and runs I have scored how many runs. Okay, 10 in the first over, then 4, then 8, then 15, then 12, then 10. Now what I have to do, I have to plot this. Okay, I have to create this bar graph. So I will be writing simple command plt dot bar, and I will be giving the overs over runs. Let me plot this first. Okay, so you can see that I'm getting the overs here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I'm getting the corresponding run. So right now what you can see that okay, what I want next is that I have to give the title to it, and I have to give the x-axis and the y-axis labeling. So what I have to do, I have to write a command plt dot title. Let's say I'm giving the title as the IND first 6 overs. Then I will be giving the X label. So I will be writing plt dot X label. And on X label, what we have got? We have got the overs there. We will be writing the overs. Then we will be writing plt dot Y label. And in the Y label, we will going to write run. And let me run this. Now you can see that I'm getting the India first. Okay, let me do this correct. India first 6 over. And what we are getting? We are getting the over here. Okay. And we are getting the runs here. Okay. So I hope you have understood that how we can do this simple program with the help of a Matplotlib. So we can design or draw a beautiful graph with the help of this Matplotlib library. Okay. In next lecture, we will going to see that okay how we will going to compare the two teams run. Okay, in the first 6 over. Okay, so this will be the task which we will going to do in the next lecture. Thank you everyone. I hope you have understood my lecture.